Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Nintendo AirPods Pro Case is probably one of the most exciting accessories for any Nintendo fan who also happens to own AirPods Pro, blending iconic gaming aesthetics with essential device protection in a way that's both functional and incredibly fun, making it a must-have item for those who want to showcase their love for gaming while keeping their earbuds safe and sound. Number 5. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the MOBOSI case, designed to perfectly fit your AirPods Pro 2nd and 1st generation. It offers robust protection and convenient features for everyday use. Never worry about losing your AirPods again. This case features a secure locking mechanism that keeps your device safely enclosed, even if dropped. Constructed with military-grade resistant PC material, it provides complete protection against scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. The upgraded structure ensures a secure, sealed fit. Enjoy hassle-free charging. It's compatible with Qi-certified wireless charging and wired charging without needing to remove the case. The LED indicator remains visible. This multifunctional case comes with a cleaning kit and a portable keychain for easy carrying. It's durable, convenient, and designed to meet all your needs. You'll receive one protective case, a carabiner, a cleaning kit, and a removal tool. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. This case offers a robust locking mechanism to keep your AirPods secure. It also boasts military-grade protection against drops and scratches. If you prioritize maximum security and protection for your AirPods, especially during active use or travel, this is the one to consider. What people say. The case is designed to perfectly fit the AirPods Pro, ensuring a snug and secure hold. It offers excellent protection against scratches and minor drops, keeping your AirPods Pro safe. The charging port is easily accessible, allowing for convenient charging without removing the case. Number 4. MOBOSI AirPods Pro 2 Case with Lock. Introducing the MOBOSI case for your AirPods Pro 2. It offers military-grade protection with a secure locking design, ensuring your earbuds are always safe and sound. Tired of worrying about dropping your AirPods? This case features a secure locking mechanism that keeps everything together, even if it falls. Plus, the quick-release design makes accessing your earbuds a breeze. Crafted from military-grade resistant PC material, this case provides a completely sealed, one-piece design. It offers superior protection against scratches, bumps, and drops, keeping your device pristine. Enjoy seamless charging with this case. It's fully compatible with MagSafe and Qi-certified wireless charging, and also supports wired charging without needing to remove the protective cover. The LED indicator remains visible. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It comes with a cleaning kit and a portable keychain, making it convenient and easy to carry wherever you go. Everything you need is included. When you purchase this protective case, you also get a carabiner and a cleaner kit. We stand by our product, so if you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for support. What we like. This option not only provides a secure locking design and military-grade protection but also features MagSafe compatibility. If you're looking for a case that integrates seamlessly with your MagSafe charger and want a vibrant color to easily spot your AirPods, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The case is designed to be very portable and easy to carry around. It offers excellent protection for the AirPods Pro, preventing scratches and minor drops. The charging port is easily accessible, and wireless charging works without any issues. Number 3. ELAGO AW5 AirPods Pro Case. Introducing a case that brings back nostalgic vibes. Its unique design mimics a classic handheld game console, making your AirPods Pro stand out. Designed specifically for your AirPods Pro, this case ensures a snug and secure fit. It also fully supports wireless charging without any hassle. Crafted from flexible yet durable silicone, it offers excellent protection. It shields your device from everyday scratches and accidental bumps. An anti-slip coating inside the cap provides a secure grip. Just ensure it's fitted properly for optimal performance and protection. Transform your AirPods Pro into a fun and unique accessory. This case is not just protective, but also a stylish statement piece. What we like. This case stands out with its unique retro game console design, adding a fun and nostalgic touch. It's made from durable silicone and supports wireless charging. If you want your AirPods case to be a conversation starter and express your personality, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The case is designed to perfectly fit the AirPods Pro, ensuring a snug and secure hold. It offers excellent protection against scratches and minor drops, keeping the AirPods Pro safe. The charging port is easily accessible, and wireless charging is supported without removing the case. Number 2. MOBOSI AirPods Pro Case with MagSafe. Introducing the MOBOSI case, designed specifically for your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It offers robust protection and seamless compatibility. Enjoy the convenience of Qi-certified wireless charging or use your standard wired connection. It supports both methods effortlessly. This case features a dual-layer design with a hard shell and shock-absorbing corners. It provides military-grade protection against drops, scratches, and impacts. Never worry about your AirPods falling out again. Its secure magnetic lock and integrated spring lock keep the lid firmly shut, ensuring your earbuds are always safe. This isn't just a case, it's a complete solution. It includes a durable main case, a cleaning tool, and a detachable keychain for ultimate portability and convenience. We stand by our product with a 12-month quality promise. Any manufacturing defects will be promptly resolved, ensuring your long-term satisfaction. What we like. Offering shockproof dual-layer defense and a secure magnetic locking system, this case provides comprehensive full-body protection. If you need a case that can withstand significant drops and impacts while ensuring the lid stays shut, this is a reliable option for ultimate safeguarding. What people say. The case is designed to perfectly fit the AirPods Pro, ensuring a snug and secure hold. It offers robust protection against drops, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. The case supports wireless charging, allowing you to charge your AirPods Pro without removing the case. Number 1. Pohgelan AirPods Pro Case with Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Pohgelan case, designed for both AirPods Pro 1st and 2nd generations. It offers a secure fit and automatic locking for peace of mind. Experience the convenience of our automatic snap switch design. It allows for easy one-handed opening, preventing accidental drops and keeping your earbuds safe. Crafted with durable TPU and PC materials, this case provides full-body protection. It shields your earbuds from dust, bumps, drops, and scratches with its shock-absorbent design. Carry your earbuds anywhere with ease. It features a portable design with a keychain and wrist strap, perfect for attaching to bags or backpacks. This package also includes a handy cleaning pen to keep your AirPods Pro in pristine condition. Everything you need to protect and maintain your earbuds is included. Designed to be compatible with MagSafe, this case ensures effortless wireless charging. Simply place it on your charger without removing the case. What we like. This case features an innovative automatic snap switch for easy and secure operation, along with MagSafe compatibility. It provides 360 degrees full-body protection with a focus on shock absorption. If you appreciate convenience, enhanced security features, and robust protection in a stylish package, this case is ideal. What people say. The case fits my AirPods Pro perfectly and feels very durable. I love the design of this case, it looks just like a miniature Nintendo Switch. It provides excellent protection for my AirPods Pro, and the charging port is easily accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.